Hey folks, I make it really short. People get creepy out when you film things from their house. I'm in San Jose, California. The reason I'm at this location was the Grateful Dead played their first show as the Grateful Dead. A couple weeks prior for this concert, they were called the Warlocks. They had a band meeting at Phil Lett's house and changed their names to Grateful Dead, and they played here. That night, the Rolling Stone played at the Civic Center. So the volunteers at the club went down to the show and had a flyer say, hey, after the show, man, you can check out this other band playing. I guess that history, the Louis Birds played here, Stevie Nicks played here, a bunch of other bands played at the basement back day. So this house was built in 1885. Original location was downtown San Jose, where the new City Hall is. It's now a big old City Hall that nobody really wanted it in the first place. But it's really a historic site. There's no landmark telling people about this. But I imagine back in the day, the Grateful Dead used to come here and play their show, one of their first shows at Deadhead. They played at other places. I'll try to get our locations where they played, but this was the place they actually went by the Grateful Dead. I don't want to get too close to the house because out there with a dog. The dog would appear not be friendly me staying next to the house. So nice little location, big history right here. Nice big house too. So if you had a chance for a live for that show, you watch the show, or you did hit, please let me know. And I hope I'll do more of these kind of stuff in the future. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.